Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can add a map in Squarespace. So let's start. The first thing that you want to do, you just simply click plus here, and when you're going to be here, you just want to simply click location, and now you have you can choose which one you prefer. Like visit us, whatever, right? Like this one here. And then you want to simply click on a photo that you got here, the map, and you just add here the business name, the address, and city state. So you can also change the map style from grayscale to original. That's like really up to you. And just simply add here your business name and address, and you're good to go. So this is how you can simply add map in Squarespace, and then you can like edit the text here. That's like really up to you. You can even like delete that if you want to. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.